I'm the sector head for the International Relations, Social Impact and Development sector in Talent and Careers here at IE. My duty is to get in touch with companies that are working in these fields and at the same time help the students reaching out to those companies and end up working in one of them. We provide them with different workshops at the beginning of the year, working more on their personal skills, so to discover what are their best skills, where they could fit in the professional world, how to make better curriculums, better cover letters, etc. And more by the end of the year, we help them also discovering the different options and trends that are in the market for them to find in an easier way a job. I tend to divide 5 different verticals or 5 different options to reach the professional market. The first one would be the public sector or public affairs companies. Those companies deal with the relationship and conversation between government and different companies. Then we have a second one that is intergovernmental organizations, formed by different member states, like the United Nations, the European Union, the OECD, etc. Then we have NGOs and foundations. A fourth one would be the think tanks, or the educational and research sector. A think tank is a research institution in political science that is not only doing just research, but they also try to have some influence in the policies of the country. And the last one is private corporations, sometimes there are NGOs as well. They deal with impact, specifically either social, economical, or environmental impact. Looking for a job is a job in itself, so effort is one of the main points. It's useful to contact us since the beginning of the year, and we will be with you all the way.